아주 그냥 덥네요. It's so hot. I'm so hot. 너무 더워요. Hello everyone. Your hair is beautiful. My hair is a mess. It's really wet. No, not wet, but like I'm hot. I'm really hot right now. Hello everyone. Hey guys. I miss you guys so much. Is my jacket blue or black? My jacket is black. I only wear black. 제 옷들은 정말 다 검은색이더라고요. TMI를 말하자면 제 숙소 옷장 보면요. 한번 시간 나면 제가 SNS 통해서 올려드릴게요. 근데 이제 제 옷장 열잖아요. 열면은 진짜 아무것도 안 보여요. It's just dark. 진짜 공허해요, 공허해요. 진짜 너무 어두워서 저도 몰랐어요. 이렇게 많은 검은색 옷이 있는지. 그래서 나중에 시간 되면 제가 제 옷장을 보여드리겠습니다. Okay. Okay. I should study. Well, you know, if you need to study, you can study. Would you stay? Do you guys have a recommendation for Hyunjin's birthday present? Please send me a text. Text, no, not a text. Send me a comment, and then I'll make sure to see that. And then, yeah, I will, you know, think about it and maybe get him what you guys think is a good present. Yay! Pancakes? Did someone say pancakes? Okay, socks! Socks is good. Stay. Next time, I promise I'll be back, okay? Okay, thank you guys. Thank you, Stay. Thank you, baby Stays. And I'll be back. Don't sleep! Don't sleep. Bye, everyone. 안녕히 가세요.